Hello to everyone. I hope you are doing well. My name is Daniel. Today I am sharing God's words. My topic is one like son of man's. I explain that things and through first I said to the book of Daniel, chapter 7, verse 9 to 14. Daniel saw the dreams. Dream means dreams, very big dreams. Daniel is not understanding this dream is for animals, for animals, for animals. Their animal is the very powerful animals, and there is a there is historical says is their four animals is the their four kingdom. Therefore, kingdom God judgment them one day the four best animals and destroy them also. It is this thing is a future thing, not a past thing, not past thing, and um, uh, we will see these things. The force animals destroy after the last kingdom is a it is Jesus Christ kingdom, and the last kingdom come it's Jesus Christ and his son the son of man. He from gods and he from gods, one like son of man's. He present to gods, and gods give to kingdom to him, and to judgment to him, and judgment to him. His kingdom serve to him. All the others kingdoms destroy means this kingdom came after the others kingdom destroy all, destroy them. There is a destroy and destroy. Daniel saw like these dreams. Daniel is not understanding, but God's angel help them, and God's angel help them, and Daniel let them say, "Who can say me these dreams?" There is no one answer to Daniel, but angel help them, and the holy people of the come kingdom always still the ends. His God's people, son of man means Daniel saw the dream is four animals destroy after the game kingdom. It is this is a God's kingdom, God's kingdom. Their rule. Jesus nations means God's. Those God's people, there are the rule in the earth. They are rule in the earth, and there are rule in the earth. God's people and God's son, and that like God's kingdom come one day, and we can see about the that day this kingdom come after who is one like son of man. God called to Israeli people, and his own people. God choose people means one verse mention Exodus chapter 4 verse 23 verse. That verse say, "You are my son, you are my son." That time Israel people say slavery to Egypt, but God said to Pharaoh, give to my give to my people freedom. But the Pharaoh is not freedom, give to freedom, but God is a God do many things, and but Israel is the chosen. God's choose Israel because God's blessed through others nation through Israel. That's why God's choose him and bless to other nations. And Isaiah chapter it is mentions for 42 verse 6, right of right of the nations, God's mention, and God choose is the good nation, is a good nation. And we will see these things when Israel salved to Egypt. That same like Jesus Christ also, his history. We will see about his story. Jesus when Jesus is a new Israel. His story of the Israel same like Jesus history. Jesus mother, father, and afraid to time they are went to Egypt when Jesus born, and his mother father afraid to Herod. Herod killed to him son means they afraid to Pharaoh. They went to Egypt, and Egypt Egypt means like slavery, means like slavery, but God called again to him Jesus Christ mother and father, means God reveal like that, and God's reveal like that, and God Second Timothy chapter 2 verse 12, Jesus is the new nations, and uh, Revelation chapter 4 verse 6 and 5 verse 10, God called to Israel, you are the priest kingdom, they are will rule in the rule, but their projections to give to Jesus, and as and 1 Corinthians 6 3, and 1 Peter 2 verse 9, holy nations, but you are choose choose people, means God's properly revealed that key, who is my sons, and who is God's people after the God's kingdom come after the rule in the earth, and he is he is son, one son of like one is the God's people, and Jesus Christ also with them, and with rule in the earth, and all the earth, and all the earth. It is mentioned, God says not others, holy nations, people of the for his and prosect, and the many chapter mention God's people, God's call to my son means you are my son, Jesus, God's call to Jesus Christ, you are my son, I will I will give to I will uh, bless to you, and give to world to you, and bless to others, and Israel people everything lost. That time God help them, and that time God say, you are my best nation. I will give I will bless to bless, and through you other nations bless, means one like son of man is a God's people, it is a God's people last kingdom come, God's kingdom come, and God's judgment, God's they God's people judgment to earth people, those who not believe in the Christ, and also Christ judgment in the earth, on the earth. We will see like that, and God bless you this things. God bless you this sermons, and